Boom shakalaka, huge signal for Bitcoin, for total crypto, for altcoins, and a $20,000 Ethereum. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including a huge signal for Bitcoin, also for altcoins, and the ultimate Ethereum price target this bull run. Before we get into it, guys, like the video. Now, today, fear and greed 73, up from yesterday's 70, still in greed territory. The overall market up 1%, Bitcoin at 37,093, Ethereum at 2052, BNB at 249, XRP 66 cents, Solana $60, Cardano 38 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, and Tron 10 cents. And Bitcoin, after continuing up this line for the past 2 weeks, has found this trend from the middle of October that within the next couple of days, we will either bounce off to the upside or we will break through back to the downside. Kind of have to see how that goes. But if we take a look on the hourly charts for Bitcoin, Bitcoin has formed a bull flag pennant. Right now, target for that roughly $39,000. And at the same time, the Bollinger Band width has come down to potentially a rebound zone for Bitcoin. So very exciting couple days coming for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is proceeding as usual. Right now, testing the 50% fib. And we can see the RSI in similar territory before going to the overheated zone when we really start pumping coming up in the future. But right now, Bitcoin is at the median zone, 34.5. This is the median zone for Bitcoin. Now, if we take a look back, historically, once Bitcoin breaks that median zone, generally, it's all up territory and very, very quickly. Now, you pair this with the halving coming with potentially the spot ETF approvals. Well, we could have a very, very exciting couple months to years coming for Bitcoin, particularly when you take a look at this. Bitcoin just closed above the midpoint of the Donchian channel, this red line right here. Historically, when Bitcoin closes above this, the last 2 times, price went vertical shortly afterwards. Might be an indication that price could potentially go vertical. As a matter of fact, for the first time in a year and a half, the 90-day change in stablecoin supplies just flipped positive. Now, it's hard to see on this chart because it is so small. But what this means is that we are seeing the net capital inflows through stablecoins for the first time since the bear market began. Yes, things have really turned around. Money is really starting to flow into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Still early bull run territory. Right now, a big signal for altcoins. The last time the altcoin market cap closed above the SMA 20, this blue line right here, was 3.5 years ago, right after the COVID crash. And then in 2016, the close above the SMA 20 also signaled the beginning of the altcoin bull market rally. Hope you better get your positions now if you haven't yet, particularly when we look at charts like this Ethereum cycle. Very similar setup to what we saw in 2017 to 2022, where we had the all-time high, retest of a previous high, and then breaking through that territory. Well, the same exact chart and fib levels would put Ethereum at a $20,000 per Ether price this cycle. Starting to get exciting. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.